Welcome back to CarWow 787. It's great to have you here, whether you're a regular or a new viewer. If you're into heavy-duty trucks, engines, and all things diesel, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked-about rivalries in the trucking world, the PACCAR MX-13 versus the Cummins ISX. These two engines have powered countless trucks on the road, and they each come with their own unique set of advantages and challenges. So, grab a seat, relax, and let's break down what makes each of these engines tick, and which one might be the better choice for you. Before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our detailed reviews, comparisons, and all things trucking. Now, let's jump right into it. When it comes to heavy-duty trucking, the engine is the heart of the machine. The power, efficiency, and reliability of the engine can determine not only the truck's performance but also its overall cost of ownership. Today, we're looking at two heavyweights, the PACCAR MX-13 and the Cummins ISX. These two engines have been powering trucks for years, and each has earned a reputation for reliability and performance. But how do they really stack up against each other? Let's take a deep dive into both engines and see how they compare in key areas like power, fuel efficiency, durability, and maintenance. Let's start with the PACCAR MX-13. Manufactured by PACCAR, the parent company of Kenworth and Peterbilt, the MX-13 engine has quickly gained a strong foothold in the market. It was designed with both performance and efficiency in mind, making it a popular choice for long-haul trucking operations. The MX-13 is a 12.9-liter engine that typically produces between 405 and 565 horsepower, depending on the configuration. It also delivers up to 1,850 pounds-ft of torque, which is great for hauling heavy loads up steep grades. One of the standout features of the MX-13 is its advanced technology. PACCAR's proprietary fuel efficiency optimization FEO technology helps improve fuel economy by optimizing the engine's fuel injection system, turbocharging, and other performance-related components. This means you get more power with less fuel, which is crucial for lowering operating costs over the long haul. The MX-13 is also known for its smooth and quiet operation, which is a big plus for drivers who spend long hours behind the wheel. Another key advantage of the PACCAR MX-13 is its durability. PACCAR has designed this engine with an emphasis on long-term reliability. The materials used in the engine block and other key components are built to withstand the tough demands of the trucking industry. Plus, the engine's design minimizes the risk of common failures like turbocharger issues, injector problems, and overheating. Overall, the MX-13 has earned a reputation for being a strong, dependable engine that's built to last. But no engine is perfect, and the MX-13 does have a few drawbacks. One of the main criticisms of the engine is its cost. PACCAR engines tend to be more expensive upfront compared to other options on the market. This can be a deal-breaker for some owner-operators or fleet managers who are working with tight budgets. However, many drivers argue that the higher initial cost is offset by the engine's fuel efficiency and reliability over time. Now, let's turn our attention to the Cummins ISX. Cummins is a household name in the diesel engine world, and the ISX series has been one of their most successful lines. The ISX is a 15-liter engine that has been powering trucks for years. It's known for its power, torque, and overall performance. The ISX typically produces between 400 and 600 horsepower, depending on the configuration, and it can deliver up to 2,050 pounds-ft of torque, significantly more than the PACCAR MX-13. This extra torque makes the ISX a great choice for heavy haul operations and demanding terrains. One of the key features of the ISX is its proven reliability. Cummins has been in the engine business for a long time, and they've built a solid reputation for creating durable, long-lasting engines. The ISX is no exception. It's designed to handle the toughest conditions and keep running for millions of miles. In fact, many truckers and fleet owners swear by Cummins engines for their longevity and reliability. When properly maintained, the ISX can easily exceed 1 million miles before major repairs are needed. The ISX is also known for its fuel efficiency. While it's not quite as optimized as the MX-13 in terms of fuel consumption, the ISX still delivers competitive fuel economy, especially when paired with the right truck and drivetrain configuration. In fact, Many drivers report excellent fuel efficiency on long-haul trips, which is key to keeping operating costs down. However, the ISX is not without its issues. One of the biggest criticisms of the engine is its complexity. The ISX has a lot of advanced technology under the hood, including the Cummins XBI fuel system, which provides precise fuel injection. While this helps improve performance, it also means that the engine can be more prone to expensive repairs if something goes wrong. Additionally, the ISX has been known to have some issues with EGR exhaust gas recirculation systems and DPF diesel particulate filter problems, which can lead to costly maintenance and downtime if not properly managed. In terms of power and torque, the Cummins ISX has a definite edge over the PACCAR MX-13. With more torque on tap, the ISX is better suited for heavy loads and tougher terrain. If you're hauling oversized loads or frequently driving in hilly areas, the ISX may be the better option for you. The extra torque also makes it a favorite for fleets that need to get the job done quickly and efficiently, especially when speed and power are of the essence. When it comes to maintenance, both engines have their pros and cons. The PACCAR MX-13 is known for its reliability and relatively low maintenance requirements. However, as mentioned earlier, it can be more expensive upfront, which could be a hurdle for some. On the other hand, the Cummins ISX, while incredibly reliable, tends to have higher repair costs due to its complexity. The advanced technology in the ISX engine means that when something does go wrong, it can be more costly to fix. Another important factor to consider is the availability of parts and service. Cummins has a vast network of service centers and parts suppliers, which makes it easier to find support for the ISX engine. This is a big advantage if you're driving long distances and need quick service or parts replacement. While PACCAR also has an extensive network, it's generally not as large as Cummins, which could be a consideration for some owners. So, which engine is better? The answer depends on what you need from your truck. If you're looking for a powerful engine with excellent torque for heavy hauling and tough terrain, the Cummins ISX may be the better choice. It's a workhorse that can take on just about anything, and it has a long track record of reliability. On the other hand, if you're more focused on fuel efficiency, smooth operation, and long-term durability with lower maintenance costs, the PACCAR MX-13 is a great option. It's designed for operators who want to keep their costs low while still having a reliable and powerful engine under the hood. Ultimately, both engines have their strengths, and it comes down to personal preference and the type of work you're doing. Some drivers swear by the ISX's power, while others prefer the smooth and quiet operation of the MX-13. The key takeaway here is that both engines have been proven on the road, and you can't go wrong with either one, as long as you maintain them properly. Before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about the importance of regular maintenance. No matter which engine you choose, it's crucial to keep up with routine maintenance to ensure maximum performance and longevity. Regular oil changes, fuel filter replacements, and attention to the cooling system are all critical for keeping your engine running smoothly. Additionally, make sure to monitor your engine's performance and address any issues before they turn into costly repairs. And that's a wrap for today's video. We've covered the key differences between the PACCAR MX-13 and the Cummins ISX, and I hope this helps you make an informed decision when choosing the right engine for your truck. Remember, both of these engines are great options, but the right one for you depends on your specific needs and preferences.